Hello, my name is Yeva, and together with my colleague Greta, we have partnered with Innovation Agency on our project Microbiome Analysis in Lithuania, which covers the global and Lithuanian ecosystem, strengths, weaknesses, and recommendations. First, a brief introduction to the microbiome. This refers to the collections of trillions of bacteria, viruses, yeast, fungi, and archaea, including their genetic material and their interactions inside and on a host organism or environment. We affect the microbiome in our body every day by the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the medications we take. In our gut, microbiota such as bacteria assist with digestion, metabolism, and protecting your body against pathogens. So an imbalance in our microbiomes can result in an increased risk of several illnesses, including cancer or heart disease. It has been discovered that by altering or supplementing our microbiome through diet or targeted therapies, it's possible to prevent or treat several illnesses. One of the reasons this project is important is because chronic disease, such as heart disease and cancer, are the leading causes of death worldwide, responsible for 74% of global deaths. Lithuania is not an exception to this problem. It has among the highest levels of preventable and treatable mortality in the European Union. The UN recognizes this global problem and aims to reduce premature mortality from chronic disease by 1/3. The microbiome sector is a promising avenue to do this, since the European Innovation Council recognizes microbiome analysis and therapy as promising solutions to combat chronic disease. As well as combating chronic disease, the microbiome sector presents an untapped opportunity for Lithuania. This is an emerging field of research and innovation, and with Lithuania's goal to increase the contribution of their life sciences sector to 5% by 2030, we see that microbiome research presents an avenue for Lithuania to support this ambition by both meeting the rising demand for innovative health solutions and to help grow Lithuania's life sciences sector. We explored the potential of these solutions in Lithuania, and we'll start off by giving a brief overview of the current situation. Currently, interest in microbiome research and industry is quickly growing worldwide, as well as in Lithuania. Researchers here are collaborating internationally and nationally to participate in various high-impact projects, including 9 Horizon Europe and EU health-funded projects, which amount to more than 6 million euros. Additionally, new centers are being built to foster collaboration and interdisciplinary research, such as the Medical Sciences Center, Human Biological Resources Center, and the Microbiome Research Institute, which will provide a specialized focus on microbiome innovations. As for industry, since the microbiome is a new field, Lithuanian industries mostly focus on developing probiotic drinks and snack bars. There are also a few companies that are in the process of creating psychobiotics, which are probiotics that are focused on improving mental health. Given Lithuania's increasing involvement in the sector, there are many potential growth opportunities.
So, in order to stimulate this growth, we want to provide several recommendations for the microbiome sector in Lithuania. In order to expand microbiome sector in Lithuania, we have several recommendations. To start with, we recommend to revise national strategies such as Smart Specialization Strategy and Life Sciences Roadmap to emphasize microbiome research and align with global trends. Other recommendation is to provide suitable public procurement policies, promote long-term research projects, support research commercialization, establish microbiome regulations, and optimize research infrastructure, and to increase incentives to modernize facilities and foster collaboration for greater efficiency. Looking into another part, into public engagement and awareness, we recommend to launch public awareness campaigns in order to educate the public through healthcare professionals and different events. Additionally, we want to promote healthy food in schools and daycares and encourage microbiome-friendly diets from an early age. Looking into the research and innovation development segment, we want to and we recommend to develop unique signature products for the global leadership in Lithuania. Additionally, we recommend to include microbiome field in funding calls, as currently they are covered under the broader category of life sciences. Additionally, we recommend to encourage postgraduate exchanges and expand specialized training programs. And looking into the last part of our recommendations, we recommend to address the brain drain problem and attract more pharmaceutical companies, as they could be an opportunity to address and prevent such challenges stemming from the limited presence of these companies. So, We want to say thank you for all our stakeholders for their time and expertise for our project. And if you want to know more about our project, please scan the QR on the left and let's stay connected. Thank you.